Hello, today I'll show you how to make this wooden bracelet and let's go see how it's made. I found this wooden bead at Michael's, paid $2.99 for this. I'm putting link in description so you know where to find it. You can use any beads that you have at home. You only need 6 of them. I'm now torn between pearls and gold beads. You will also need stretchy string. I used 7mm. They're only a couple of bucks. I'll also put this in the link. Take the string and cut about 6 to 7 inches longer than your wrist. So here I decided to go with gold beads. Let's start with beads. They're short, so it shouldn't take long. Once you're done, make a tight knot twice. Then put a drop of glue on the knot and let the knot go slip through into the wood beads. Then cut the excessive string and it's all done. For your reference, my wrist measurement is about 6 inches and diameter of bracelet is about 1.8 inches. So here, you can wear this by itself or pair with a bangle. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.